Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a custom Apple Wallet pass. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go to a website like this. For example, this one is app.adpass.io/generator. And once you're in this website, you can customize literally everything. Okay, you can choose the pass type, for example, let's say event ticket, loyalty card, anything. You can just type it in right here, and then you can add an image. You can change this icon. If you click here, it will lead you to your file explorer, and you can go ahead and change the icon. Okay, you can add a QR code or barcode here as well. You can just scan a barcode to put this right here. Just give access to your camera. Okay, and then you can take a photo. You can do the same thing with QR code. You just paste your link or your message. You save the QR code. You can go ahead and type anything on these ones. For example, right here, as you can see, right? So you put in your logo, your image, choose your own custom colors. And then once you're done with this, you can also go ahead and do this at the back of the card. As you can see, we're adding things right here as well. And once you're happy with it, of course, you can choose dark or light theme. If you want to customize it even more, you can tap on this icon, right? And then click on Let's Go and proceed with that. Of course, you can name this anything you want. When you're happy with it, just tap on it, generating pass here. As you can see, it's generating. And then once it is done, you'll be able to use this in your Apple Wallet. It's really that easy. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. There you go. As you can see, it is done and it has actually downloaded.